We just used sublimation on a cotton t-shirt using some heat transfer vinyl, and we'll show you how we did it right now.
What is up? Welcome back to another Tay Takeover. This week we're making t-shirts.
We're going to show you a trick on how to make t-shirts. We're going to use sublimation paper on a cotton t-shirt or a dark color t-shirt, and we're going to show you how we did it.
Step 1! We're going to cut out our design in glitter vinyl.
Glitter heat transfer vinyl.
Glitter heat transfer vinyl.
Alright, so just need to add this face down on our mat.
Step 2! Now we cut our sublimation paper. Remember, we mirrored it for both the glitter vinyl and our sublimation sheet. Step 3! We're gonna throw them on the shirt. We got our images cut and weeded. We use an Auntie Tay SVG. Now we're gonna put the glitter vinyl down and then the sublimation over top.
Yep, we're going to start with all the glitter vinyl first and then add the sublimation.
Yes. Alright, we're just gonna get it tacky on the shirt. Put some butcher paper down real quick. We're gonna throw this down for like 15 seconds to get it to stick to the shirt. Does this hold you?
Nope. I guess it does.
Alright, so just tacky enough to stick to the shirt. Scooby-Doo. Bam.
Alright, so show close up here what we've got so far.
That's what we got so far. Step 3B. I don't even know if that was B. We're gonna put the sublimation paper face down on the glitter vinyl.
Right on our glitter vinyl, so it infuses to the glitter vinyl and not to the t-shirt itself.
They all look pretty lined up. I'm not gonna hold it up and show you. Too bad.
Hold on, I'm gonna add a little piece of tape on each of those last two. Alright. And then this one. I have it upside down.
Sticks better with the sticky side though. Alright, we're going in.
Put your paper on. 385.
Jinx, owe me a Coke. 40 seconds. Boom, I'm down. I'm in.
The trick, well, it's not really a trick. The rule with the sublimation is do not move it.
Yeah, don't move it.
Because it will ghost, it will leave a ghost image.
I really want to move it right now though.
I see that you do. Do not touch it, which is
like
why I've reiterated, do not move it. He likes to rub it around.
It's missing this edge over here.
Alright. Well, it's missing this edge over here. You might have to shift it a little bit and a little bit. And the other side. Real quick.
Going in anyway.
We're just gonna burn the whole thing up.
I'm gonna cut that out.
Woo! I can see it. Looks like it infused.
Should we rip them off now? Woohoo! Oh, that needed a little more. Woo, that one came out great. This one's very hot. Woo, that one came out great. Woo, that one came out pretty good. That's what we got. Alright, babe, go put this on.
Alright, so there you go. 100% cotton, and we sublimated on it using the heat transfer vinyl. You can just use the same technique for a dark colored shirt too.
If you like this week's video, hit that like button. And remember, go check us out on our channel. We do this same thing every week. And we'll see you over there.